In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contribute to open source on GitHub. This process can seem intimidating at first, but we'll break it down into simple, manageable steps that will set you on the path to becoming an open source contributor with ease. First and foremost, you'll need a GitHub account. If you haven't already, head over to GitHub and sign up. Make sure to verify your email address so you can fully access all the features GitHub offers. Now that you're a member of this vast community, it's time to ensure you have the right tools to get started. Installing the necessary tools is our next task. You'll need to install Git, which is the version control system that underpins everything on GitHub. Next, download and install Visual Studio Code. It's a powerful code editor that many developers use, and it will be beneficial as you make changes to code files. Before diving into the code, let's configure Git, a step you only need to do once. Open your terminal or command prompt and set your username with the command gitconfig globaluser.name your name, followed by your email with gitconfig globaluser.email your email at example.com. These will identify you and the changes you make. Verify the installation and configuration of Git using git version and git config list. This helps make sure everything is properly set up before you start contributing. Now that your setup is ready, clone the repository you wish to contribute to using git clone. Head up to the github.com, your surname, repository name. Gitazit. This command will copy the repository onto your local machine, allowing you to work on it offline. Navigate into your project directory using cd repository name, and if you prefer using a graphical interface, open it in Visual Studio Code with the command code. With the repository on your local machine, create a new branch for your contribution. This is a best practice, and it's done by executing git checkout, be my first contribution. You can confirm the branch switch with git branch. Always check the project status with git status to understand its state before making any changes. Now go ahead and make your proposed changes to the code. Once you're satisfied, stage the changes using gitadd to stage all modified files, or specify a file like gitadd-readme.md if that's where your changes are. Then commit your changes with the descriptive message using git commit m describe your changes. This step ensures your changes are saved and ready to be pushed. Push your branch to GitHub with git push origin my first contribution. To keep your fork up to date with the original project, add a remote upstream once with git remote add upstream https://github.com/original-owner/repository-name.git and verify using git remote v. Fetch the latest changes from the original repository using git fetch upstream and merge these updates into your main branch. Lastly, if reviewers ask for changes, incorporate them, stage, and commit as before with gitadd and git commit address review comments. Push these final changes. Once your contribution is approved, the maintainer will merge it, making you a proud open source contributor. Congratulations!